Hi, I'm Kara for Hamilton Beach, and this is the new Set and Forget Programmable Slow Cooker. It's the perfect slow cooker for taking to picnics, potlucks, and parties because the clip-tight gasket lid reduces messy spills. This spacious 6-quart slow cooker can handle a 4-pound roast or a 6-pound chicken. You have 3 easy choices for cooking: program, probe, and manual. Operating is simple. Just add the ingredients, cover, set the time and temperature, and forget it until you're ready to eat. For heavier roasts, use the thermometer probe that displays the actual temperature of the meat as it cooks. Just set the probe to the desired meat temperature, and when that temperature is reached, it automatically switches to keep warm, so it'll be fresh, hot, and ready to eat when you are. The full grip handles make carrying heavy meals easy. Now that's good thinking.